Most of the furniture in our homes is made out of wood. Our chairs, tables, shelves, and others are all constructed with wood and still designed. If there is no wood, there would be no furniture in our homes. Wood has multiple uses. That's not a new fact, because wood has been used since the ancient times and it still remains in the modern civilization. Nowadays, the idea of using different wooden objects in different ways have become very popular. The way people use wood varies depending on their needs and skill level they use to make the wooden products. In this regard, there are different ideas and wooden items you can get inspiration from to make your own ones. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces for your home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Wood is used in the creating and designing of all art-related stuff. That includes sculptures, carvings, and art frames that we place in our home. There is no better way of creating innovative art designs that you wouldn't use wood. Wood is a better insulator than most equipment because of its nature. It is used to measure the insulation properties of building materials. It has this ability due to the air pocket within its air structure. Natural wood beads ensure that each piece of furniture is unique. The initial cost of wooden furniture may be higher than other materials such as aluminum, but the benefits will be with you for years. Depending on the budget, you can choose furniture made from softwood pieces such as pine or furniture made from broadleaf trees. One of the most important factors before buying is your place's decoration and the color you have used in it. Utensils made up of wood instead of plastic and steel are a symbol of elegance which increases the charm and loveliness of the home corners. The handles of most common hand tools made of wood help as heat resistant when they are kitchenware used in an oven and closes the chance to shock while used on electricity. At present, the market for wooden furniture is very profitable. No one can deny the demand for wooden furniture as it is a sign of aristocracy since ancient time. No stability is compromised by the visual appeal of wood. Solid hardwoods are exceptionally durable and built to last generations. Handcrafted furniture built with hardwoods including cherry, maple, walnut, white oak and ash have good measure of hardness and resistance to wear. When you combine the strength of hardwoods with the strength of traditional joinery, the durability of handcrafted wood furniture cannot be beat. This longevity brings a great value to your make or purchase. Skilled woodworkers can look at a halved log of hardwood and see the graceful lines of a farmhouse kitchen table beneath the bark. Leaving things undone or done poorly isn't in their nature. When shown a piece of high-quality wooden furniture with deep scratches or other visible damage, they'll immediately begin to think about how to bring it back to its former glory. Wood furniture is nearly effortless to maintain. Simply wipe the surface of the wood chair parts with a wood cleaner on a regular basis. Do not allow water or dust to settle on your tables, chairs, or armoires for extended periods. Well viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces for your home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.